going on, Poltuki here, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another room tour. You think, why? I haven't hit milestone or anything. I just want to do one because a lot's changed. One, my setup used to be over there. Two, new stuff, and especially, you know, the new graphics card as well. So, let's go right into it. First thing in my room is my Ibanez Gem Junior. Got it this Christmas, and the amp I got as well, line 6. And this is a very good guitar in my opinion. Ibanez have always been good guitars. There's 5 pickups, really good bridge and whammy bar. So yeah, I play that in my spare time. I'm moderately good at it. I'm getting better. But yeah, and it's got the Tree of Life design along the neck there as well. Anyway, moving on. Next is my actual setup. As I said before, I've done this before. It used to be there, now it's on this wall, which I think is a lot better fitted. And you know the basics. Mic, I have, unless you've not seen it before, I have the NW700 newer mic, which is pretty good. Stand come with it as well. I just wrap these wiring around because it has to go back into that box to phantom power to keep this powered, because it is like a, I wouldn't say old mic, but it's getting there. So I use that record. That's what you hear all the time in my videos. I'll put a clip of me now speaking.
Spicy hippopotamus.
So that's a mic. The chair is very basic. It's just a 50 quid game chair, you know, nothing really special. That is a Black Widow Ultimate 2016 edition. And I've got the Avis 1800 there with the Razer mouse mat. I'm a big Razer fan if you can't tell, with, you know, the Razer stuff, the Razer headset as well, the Kraken P2s. Moving on, I have a Logitech webcam. Can't remember which one it is, I'll put it on here on the screen now. A simple light just to keep my face lit in videos. That is a Hans G monitor, not the best, I'm upgrading that soon actually to a better monitor. And finally, the PC. Now, the PC is rocking a GTX 1070 Strix Edition, which is a Republic of Gamers, and it's got a cool ass lighting effects on it. Republic of Gamers logo. I've got a Hyper 212 Evo cooling an i5 7600K in there, and it's got 12 gigs of RAM. It's not the like ultimate best killing gaming machine, rare. It's just good for what games are coming out, and I don't need to be over the top. So it's good. It's like high end, but not up there with like Titans and 1080 Ti's and stuff, and i7s, but just a simple 500 watts power supply and 2 terabytes of storage. I need more because YouTube uses a lot of fucking storage. I didn't realize. So yeah, it's got one fan in the front, it's got one fan in the back, one fan in the front, and one fan cooling it there. I'm gonna get another fan in there soon to keep it extra cool and crispy. But yeah, that is the entire setup. I'm not really upgrading anything else. I might upgrade the mouse soon, and that's about it. But yeah, that's my setup. And I've got 2 speakers down there for that. I don't be able to see it on the camera, but it's like a hi-fi system, so I can plug my phone and listen to music. Pretty damn good actually. Got that a few birthdays ago. Don't use it as much, but I mean, yeah. There's also my PS4, my TV, and I've also got an Xbox 360 back there. I don't be able to see it for playing some old classics like COD, Modern Warfare, and stuff like that. I mean, I could do it on the PC, but it's better. I think it's better on the console. Anyway, that does it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the room tour. If so, please hit the like button down below and subscribe to my channel. And I see you all in the next video. Bye bye.